You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8. Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute. And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom, right there. Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. We made it. We made it. Boom. It's Friday, baby. Oops. Wait, hold on. Fucking, there we go. It's Friday. If you're here in the chat, go ahead and say, what's up? Let's see who's all here. Clip of Harold, Marion, Ripsmod. Ripsmod, you trading that account yet? Did you blow it yet? By the way, Apex has extended their 90% off sale. Apex has extended their 90% off sale to the 21st, I think. So 90% off still. Bing, bang, boom. How's your morning? It's good. It's Friday, baby. I'm excited. It's Friday. Wait, what do I have over here? Do I have Lucid? Hey, I have Lucid? What the fuck? Oh, yeah. I forgot I have those. Cool. All right. I got funded accounts. What's your take on CPI? Feds Daily just said high CPI in March would not surprise anybody. So there's your little preview. But she's not a voter anymore, Feds Daily. So I don't know. Wish we had the leak. I'd love to be like, God, be so fucking dope. We need to hold steady until the inflation job is done. Oh, Ferrari Phil. Fancy seeing you here. I'm going to see you in a little bit. Which is in Donald Trump's Discord. Me too, man. Tim, did you change your name? You dirty dog. How bad do you want an account? Jiminy Christmas. Oh, yeah. We're going to rip it, buddy. What's up, D-Biggs? 8:30 a.m. is CPI. Wait, what? Is it really today? Oh, my God. No way. Clipper says, you changed my life, man. I'm truly grateful. What? I didn't do anything. What are you talking about? It's all you, brother. I don't have anything to do with that. Yo, Ripsy, I finally passed my 5 Lucid 50K evals. 10K payout. Here we come. Let's go! Fuck yeah. Yeah, the market's not going to do shit until CPI unless we get like some insane global politics news like, the war is over, or bombing, you know, something like that. For those who understand you are changing lives. Fuck the rest of those names. That's funny. I just show up every single day and try to do my best. That's all I can do. If it helps, I'm happy. That's all I care about. Yeah, hi. Dude, even Globex, wow. Asian session and London session were both pretty gross, so whatever. Whatever, dude. Oh, dude, I got so much sleep last night. You kidding me? I feel so good now. Let me see. Let me tell you. Dude, I got so much sleep last night. I woke up at 2 and then I went right back to bed. I got 8 hours and 14 minutes of sleep, baby. I woke up at 3:50 this morning. I got 2 extra hours of sleep. Went to bed by 6:56 and woke up at 3:51. That's 8 hours and 14 minutes of sleep, baby. Bang. Feel great now. It sounds so much better than last week. Last week, I think I was sick. I had AIDS last week. So I feel great. I needed that. Dude, sleep is like the answer to a lot of issues that I have when it's like when I'm trading like shit or if I'm like not feeling well. Just need sleep. You know? That means he was smashing? No, dude, I wasn't smashing last night. Night before, though. Poof. The boots for knocking. Mean Reversion Friday. I don't know. I think, well, you know, Mary Daly already said that inflation's going to come in hot. So I feel like March CPI is going to come in hot. But the market might be expecting. Let's see what the analysts say. Let's wait and see. You can sleep when you're pushing up daisies. Yeah, I know. Dude, I wish there was like a pill for like, you got sleep, you know? Dude, I don't like being asleep, you know what I mean? Let's do a channel game. Okay, yeah, good point. Let's do a CPI one. Let's do a big one. Do like a 10-minute prediction here. Yeah, I wish there was a pill for it where you didn't actually need to sleep. That would be great. All right, 10 minutes for this one. Creatine the closest. I mean, I ran out of creatine, so I was like, you know, that's probably what it was too. I was on 15 grams a day, and then I went 2 days with 0. So I'm back loading now. I did 5 yesterday. I'm doing 10 today, 15 tomorrow. Adderall, bro. Adderall is fucking crack, brother. There might be peptides to reduce sleep requirement. I mean, dude, you need sleep, you know? Wife has got whatever that mystery half flu that is going around, so I crashed out in the guest room last night, got like 8 hours and felt like I could run a marathon. Damn. Some people have significant others that are like sleep thrashers and they don't realize it, and so they get like terrible sleep. I'm lucky. My wife could sleep through me being murdered. Like somebody could come in with like a really gnarly shotgun, like a double barrel shotgun. I'm trying to think what would be the loudest. Somebody could come in with a 50 caliber and shoot me right in the face. And my wife would like roll over and she'd be like, honey, did you shut the door or something? Yeah, a bazooka. Somebody could blow my head off with a bazooka and she'd be like, was that the cats? I'm going back to bed. Yo, there he is. Ferrari Phil. You know, I every single time I think about you, Phil, I always think like you're in Beverly Hills. So I'm always like, you're a West Coast trader. Isn't it great though? Pitch black out and nobody's up except for like you're in Vegas right now. So everybody's up. Go look down. Go look out your window. You'll see a couple creatures of the night finding their way back to their hotel room at this hour. What's up, Missy? Morning from Ireland. Trading hard to leave this shit. Wait, what? Ireland's not a shithole. What are you talking about, Stefan? What you talking? Ireland is not a shithole. Washington. Oh, M. Youngs. You won yesterday, didn't you? Didn't you win an account yesterday, M. Youngs? Tell me you still have it. Tell me you didn't blow that thing in Globex, man. Some sidewalk lizards. They're creeping. I used to be a sidewalk lizard in Vegas when I was younger. Ooh. Dude, there was one time. Wait, should I tell this story? Nah, that one's fine. There was one time I went to a nightclub. My friend was like friends with the manager of the DJ, and then we went to the Rhino afterwards. I think we stayed there until like, God, I want to say like 9 o'clock in the morning. Came out and it was like fucking sun in your eyes. It was horrible. It was horrible. And then the DJ took one of the strippers home. Well, not home, but to the hotel. She was into it. Me, I went home alone. I would never. Ew. Did you get a breakfast burrito from the stand? I didn't even see one, brother. That must be a new edition. This is like fucking years and years and years ago, brother. This is a long fucking time ago. I just remember how much the sun hurt. The sun hurt my eyes real bad. Raider for Life says, why is your account either at 157K, then at 152K, then one at 40K, one at 154K? What are we talking about? I don't get it. My account's at 151,000. That's my funded seed account. Are you talking about when I showed like, this is my Lucid account over here. That's 147 for my Lucid. And then my funded seed is where it's at. That's my funded seed account. I wish it was at like 190,000. That'd be cool. Dude, if it was at 157,000, I'd be getting a payout today, broskies. It was at 147 at the beginning of the live? No, it wasn't. Oh, wait, no. This, Lucid. That's Lucid, bro. So that's my Lucid Pro, whatchamacallit? Evaluation, Pro Evaluation. And then this is funded on funded seat. And there we go. That's it. Yeah, you know me. I'm just switching and swapping accounts, and I'm being all sneaky like. Ribs, you checked out the Alpha Trader platform yesterday. Any chance of sneaky? It's just not ready for prime time. It'd be worth. There's no point for me to show you. It's not there yet. I have probably like a really old. They haven't pushed like an update because copy trading's not even in it yet. It's not ready yet. Here's the thing. Would you prefer that Alpha pushes out a shitty version of their platform so it's like Trade-Evade, or would you prefer that they leave it in the oven so that bread can rise? You know what I mean? Morning Rips, I locked in 15K on Alpha today. Yo! Give it up for Omakase. Holy shit. Happy Friday, bro. I'm fucking jealous. I am peanut butter and jealous, bro. Let's go, baby. How many payouts is that for you from Alpha? Is that your very first one from Alpha? I will say this, Alpha is the biggest payout I've had all year, 21,000. I'm curious, is that your payout very first time ever? What is your method for swiftly changing from prop firm to prop firm? Well, okay, so in all realness, this is Trade C. Here, let me show you. Well, it won't even show the whole thing, but this is Trade C, right? So there's a drop down up in the corner here. Let me actually show you. Let me show you what this looks like. Try to get this. That's not it. Okay, there we go. Watch. Okay, so look, drop down up in the corner here. I can go to Lucid and then go to my leader account, bang, and it goes to my Lucid account. And you can see it's a test account. I can go to funded seat. This is how great it is. And by the way, look at, I can't like accidentally not, like if I select that one, it locks me out. I can't even trade this. So like, bang, that's my bing bang biggity. That's my funded seed. And then this is like if you want to do your demo account over here. This is your demo account with delayed data, by the way. That's how you know. But then look, funded seat, Lucid, and if I had Tradeify, it would show up as a third tab right here. So this is how I switch between those two. Okay, so there's that, right? And then for my Trade-Evades, I have it just in multiple tabs. Let me show you what that looks like. Trade-Evades in multiple tabs. Look at this. So this is my take profit trader. I switch tabs, bang. That's my alpha. Right there, bang, 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 right? Easy. That's it. That's how I switch between prop firms. Isn't that lovely? We learned something together today. There you go. Sweet. Isn't that dope? So yeah, that's how I switch prop firms. So alpha, TPT, alpha, TPT, alpha, TPT, right? It's easy. And I trade each prop firm separately. I copy trade all of my accounts within the prop firm. So I copy trade all of my TPTs together. I copy trade my Tradeifys together. Copy trade my Lucids together. Copy trade my Funded Seed together. Copy trade my Alpha together. But they're all in their own little walled gardens. So there you go. There you have it. That's how it's done. Name of the indicator you're using. This is Ripsy's key levels. Right, y'all. Oh, we have an update coming. There's another update being pushed. I hope the hall monitor doesn't catch us. Oh, man. That guy's gonna fucking report the shit out of our indicator, boys and girls. Oh, no. Ah! Dude, I would just love to be a fly on that guy's wall for like a week and just to see all the hijinks that guy's getting into. Mostly eating. Ah, we meet again, Krispy Kreme. Nom, 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 nom. What's up, D-Best? Can we use your indicator on Tracy? Not yet. Let me see, like... Y'all need to message the Trade C people on X and let them know and be like, we want Ripsy's indicator! And then maybe they'll do it. You know, look at this. They got Williams Fractal and Williams Alligator. Who the fuck is Williams? Fuck that guy. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. Dude, they have Klinger Oscillator. Who the fuck is Klinger, you Star Wars nerd? Keltner channels? Who the fuck is Keltner? Ichimoku? Get the fuck out of here. They got a Guppy multiple moving average? Fuck fish. Get him out of here. All right, we got 12 minutes until the CPI report. I'll let you know what the analysts say, but I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, we're back. Rips, you try to interpret the news and bet on direction, or for you, the chart is the king. Only thing that guides you is both. I have a general idea of what I'm looking for based on the chart and the volume profile. I have an idea of what I'm looking for, but like news has a great way of taking the volume profile and throwing it in the garbage. There's certain times where you can have news that just like, remember the Trump Ferrari tweet. The Ferrari tweet was like, you know, doesn't matter how many times you look at the chart, like you don't see that coming. It's like 800 points to the moon, baby. Rips, do the firms include the live data for trades? Yeah. Oh yeah. There's a funded seat is the only one you have to pay $10 extra for the license to use funded seat on trade seat. That's it. See if we can get them to drop that. Let me actually text them right now. Let me see. Would you guys ever consider dropping the $10 fee for trade seat? Let's see. See if I can make some magic happen. Yeah, you can pay for level 2 data and all that, but like it's redundant because like, okay, so I get this question a lot, but when you're trading, for me personally, like I'm looking at Bookmap for most of my MGI, right? So time and sales, the depth, I'm looking at Bookmap. The only time I'm really looking at the charting software, so I have this charting software above me. That's over here. Here, I'll post a picture of my setup for people who haven't seen it, just so you can understand what I'm talking about. I'm going to post my setup here on Instagram if you haven't seen it. Okay, that is on my Instagram story. Okay, so I'm only looking at my like trade C and all that. Like I'm only looking at that for where I'm clicking the button to execute the trade. And you're like, okay, well then why do you give a fuck whether you're trading on Traded C or Trade Evade or whatever? Trade C, I can manage the position a lot easier than I can on Trade Evades. So on a platform like Trade Evades, I can't use like smart brackets where they're updating when I'm scalping around my position, right? I have a core position on Trade C that I can scalp around, and the brackets are automatically updating as I'm adding and removing liquidity from my, or adding and reducing size in my position. I was going to say adding and taking liquidity from the market, but in the prop firm, you're not doing that. So for prop firms, I'm trading on either Trade Evades, which is this one. People call it Trade Evade, but it's really Trade Evades. And then this is Trade C down here. And again, this is what Trade C looks like, and this is what Trade Evades looks like. So level 2 data is, so level 1 is the quote, right? Level 1 is the quote. So right now the quote is 280. It's moving very fast, but let's just call it 283 and a quarter by 284 and a quarter. Right? That's level 1. That's your level 1 quote. 284 and a quarter by 283 and a quarter. That means that there's a 4-tick spread. Okay. Level 2 is the depth. So the depth higher and the depth lower below the level 1 price. So level 1, level 2. Level 1 is the current spread, the current level 1 spread. Level 2 is everything that's deeper than that. So all the bids, all the offers. This is your level 2 right here. You can see it on my screen. Okay, that makes sense. Do you have any experience with trading software ATOS? No, but people in our group use it. I've never used it. We got 2 minutes till Boomtown, ladies and gentlemen. 2 minutes until the party starts. Which prop firm combined can withdraw 1 million in 25 days? I don't think there's any, brother. Well, actually, let me see. Yeah, well, technically speaking, TPT. That's pretty much it. That's all we're left with at this point. TPT. What platform do you use to execute orders on your personal account? TradingView, surprisingly. TradingView. Or, more recently, No, I don't want to say, because you guys are going to start looking into that and it's just pointless. Nobody's going to be trading on this other piece of software that I use. But TradingView. TradingView is where I execute 95% of my trades. 99% of my trades. TradingView. When CPI, what time? In 90 seconds. Less than 90 seconds. It's the best way to spot iceberg orders. Well, if you're not experienced, get the MBO package on Bookmap and it'll tell you exactly when an iceberg shows up. MBO is a market book order, or what does MBO stand for? Market type. You can see the actual. It will tell you what a stop is. It'll tell you what a iceberg is when they're hit, not when they're in the level 2, right? You can't be like, oh, this is a stop order. They're not going to do that. But when it's hit, you can see that it is. That's what the CME does. It doesn't work in equities. They don't have that in like Arca book or any other equity books. I've never tried deep charts, no. 30 seconds. Okay, the analysts are expecting wow, 0.9%. We're expecting, dude, that's 0.6 higher. So, and 1% higher year over year. So they're already pricing in a fucking big jump up. 10 seconds. Good luck, everybody. 10 seconds. Ooh, boy. And holy fuck. What a wick. Jesus. Holy shitballs. What a wick. Well, if you're on a trailing drawdown account, sorry, but you just got boned. You just got ass blasted. All the people who do that little trick where you put one stop long and one stop short definitely got like 50 points at least. So yeah, they came in exactly as expectations, except for the year over year expectation was 3.4. It came in at 3.3, but the month over month expectation was 0.9. That's a jump from 0.3, I believe, was the last read. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, that's insane. I mean, dude, that's why Mary Daly was saying that shit. I wish I had the fucking news feed that Mary Daly had. But yeah, that just means that rates are going to be left on hold for longer, which is what we saw in the S&P dot plot. So honestly, like, while it is kind of like rocking people, it's not really like that big of a surprise, to be honest. Like we knew that 25 minutes before it was going to happen, kind of thing. But we didn't know the spike, but we knew the number. We knew the number. The analysts were dead on the number. Only thing they whiffed on was year over year, and they missed it by 1/10. Mayor Daly from Charlotte? No, Mary Daly. Mary Daly. She used to be a FOMC voting member. She's no longer an FOMC voting member, but she knows some things. She knows some things. Some things. My funded seat was 146,500. Now I'm at 153,500. Let's go, baby. That's a fucking $7,000 gain. You're fucking insane, brother. Well, goddamn. Isn't that the host on the Great British Bake Off? No. I've never seen that show, so I don't even know. The Great British Bake Off. Boy, are they running out of ideas for shows. Not much reaction? What? What? That's not much reaction to you? 100 points in a fucking half second and it did the wiggle dick? That ain't enough for reaction? Arr? You crazy, dog. I like you, but you crazy. We're meandering underneath 310 here. See if we can cut any lower underneath 310. We did have a huge offer up high, but that's been pulled now. A big old offer. Has been pulled. So definitely some algorithms pulling some nasty shit right now. Richard Harris, what's the call? I need the call out, Richard Harris. What's going to happen? Richard Harris, what's the call out? I need it immediately. Type the call out, please. How many screens do you have? Check my Instagram story. You'll see my exact trading setup. I need the call out, Richard Harris. What is it? Tell me. Gold is ripped. Oh, I mean, it ripped on CPI, but then kind of fucking nothing now. I wonder if we're gonna break 300. It's not expecting to move that big. Yeah, I mean, CPI can do crazy things. Are margins back to normal yet? Nope. Margins are still at 25%. Last trade was 295 and a call. Yeah, I want, what's the new call out? What's the new call out, Richard? Nothing right now. Okay, keep me posted, buddy. I need to know when you get the call out so we can trade it together. Together forever. I mean, we are still elevated above this lower volume shelf, but we keep bouncing at it. So, I don't know. No, I've never traded FFN, Jim. Never. Let's do the dumb shit strat. I don't know, though. I just want momentum. It keeps on like these pops are so weak. I guess they're going to be weak until they're not. I'm just trying to, you know. I'm leaving chat open for all the hindsight prospects. The question becomes, Richard, why? Why does it make you feel better if you think that people are trading hindsight? Does that validate your experience in life anymore? Are you so depressed in your own life that it gets you off, that you kind of masturbate to the fact that people are in hindsight? It makes you feel smarter? Where in life are you lacking? Let's get this on a psychological level, Richard. Where in life are you lacking love that you feel the need to be in an internet chat to see people that you can convince yourself that they're trading in hindsight and it elevates your mood? Where are you so depressed in your own existence that that is something that makes you feel better? I'm curious. Can you answer that question for me? Because if that's the case, come on down to Vegas. I want to give you a hug in person, buddy. Because it sounds to me like you're living a very, very miserable existence if that is something that turns you on personally. No, it's funny that traders here can't talk about trading. Here's the thing, Richard. They actually do talk about trading, and people do make call outs. If you were here the other day, Richard... there was somebody in Kick that made a very beautiful call. It was Ripster Zeba made a great call out. It just begs the question, where are you lacking love in life that you seek your validation from an internet chat room to make you feel better about your own existence? That's one thing that I've always questioned about you, Richard, because, you know, maybe I should just sit here and talk about payouts. You know, other people are getting payouts, Richard. They send me proof of that all the time. So again, it begs the question, why does it validate your experience in life to think that other people are doing worse off than you, right? I get inspired when I see people that are doing really, really well, right? It makes me happy and it turns me on. So it just makes me wonder, where are you lacking love in your own existence and your own life that it makes you feel better and it turns you on, that you think that other people are struggling? Projection and insecurity mixed with some laziness. I could agree with that for sure. I could agree with that. You know? Schadenfreude. Yeah, Schadenfreude. These are distant levels on your RIPS key levels indicator when you're scalping. How much influence will those levels typically have? I mean, when we have grouped up levels, I think it's a good thing. Distance levels can, it just depends. It all depends. Right? I don't have like very far targets because I'm a scalper. I want to give you a big hug, Richard. I want to give you a big hug. Just say I get payouts. I mean, chat, do we agree with Richard that all people do in YouTube chat is spam about getting payouts? Or do people be like, hey, I'm looking for this level, and then it gets hit? I feel like that's what people are talking about. Anyway, I wish you the best, Richard. I always do. All right, we got a bid of 50 here above 300. Richard Harris lives in Vegas. He owns a pawn shop. That's hilarious. I've never been to that pawn shop. I've never met that Richard Harris. All right, we're still weak underneath 300 here. So I'm going to try to target this coming back to that bout of liquidity below the 80s. So I'm short right now. I want to add on bounces towards 300, like this one. Adding another contract here. I forget what my max size is because I have $1,000 worth of profit in my funded seat. So see if we can nail something here. Pushing up to 305 would be very welcome as well. So adding one here. And I want to add if we punch up to like 305 or so. And I think that's my max size that I can take. I think 4 contracts is my max size. Maybe it's 6. Okay, adding one more here. And okay, I can go 5. I added one more there. See if I can go 6. Okay, and 6. We added 6. Okay, looking for 305s to dump here, and then having this come back down. Should be able to see this drop from here. That's the goal. Having this drop back below 305. That's what I'm looking for on this one. Okay, there's the drop back below 305. Now looking for 300s to trade lower. Let's see if we can target like right around 295 or so. Maybe. Watching for 300s to fade here. Oh, that would be a shame if they took it from here. Because we're just above Asia's high now. Damn it. So above Asia's high. I was super confident in this trade that we were going back underneath those 305s. Let's see. They're pulling just above Asia's high here. And they're starting to bid it. Yeah, they're running with it now. Boy, howdy. They're really running with this thing. Well, very confident in that 305 pull. Currently getting stopped out there. 2,000 bucks stopped out. Unbelievable. I was going for a little bit of a pitch and catch. I really thought right here that we're going to get that crack back below 300 and then we're going to start entertaining back to 295, but unfortunately did not work out. What a shame. So hitting our daily loss limit there in our funded seat funded account. PNC from the top. We could try that. We could definitely try that. Let's see, let's see. All right, we are short in our take profit trader. Remember, we only have to make about 600 bucks in these. God, look at that. 318, 317. That was a level to watch. What a shame. Pitch and catch was too brutal. I didn't think that we were going to pop that high, unfortunately. Think the market will drop it open? Possibly. I mean, that was a very weak bounce, all things considered. Extremely, extremely weak bounce. I mean, we had the right look. We were just early to it, unfortunately. I wanted to get as many contracts as we could get on at that juncture, so is what it is. It's gonna happen. I'm happy to hit my daily loss limit instead of, you know, trading like a bitch and trying to go for 100 bucks. Yeah, the Michael Burry. That was the Michael Burry trade. Not wrong, just early. So I am trying to get, what are we gunning for here? I gotta get 96. Let's see here. 90. Let's go for 96 quarters. Oops. 96 quarters. There we go. 96 quarters is what I'm looking for here. We're holding above 68.70 in the S&Ps as well. So the previous target was 95. Now we're looking for 96 quarters. We are currently holding at Asia's high. If we swept Asia's high here, if we swept this liquidity Asia's high, then I think we would have this drop right to 96 quarters. There's a little bit of liquidity there at 300s, but the chances of us pushing through that heavily are pretty high. If we come down to that level, right? Here we go. Let's see. Oh, they tapped 300s. Kind of got scared away there. I'm surprised because we exchanged that liquidity. I'm surprised they didn't push into that a little bit more heavy. Let's see if we go on the second round here, pushing into that a little bit harder there. So 296 quarters is our PT, our TP PT. And can we find the potato salad here? What do you think, champs? Can we find ourselves a little potato salad with the chives and the mayonnaise? That exchange below 300 was awfully weak. So somebody was stuck there and they didn't like it. We did not trade 68.70 yet. Might be tuna with no chives. It could be. There's a very good chance of that, actually. So price getting scared right back up above those 300s. How low did we go? We were pretty close there. What was the low on that candle? 290, 298 and 3/4. So a little bit further off than I would have liked to be. Unfortunate. Coming back up to that big area again. Somebody is definitely stacking bids here at 15. Thing is that we're actually exchanging that liquidity, right? They're being offered and then people are interested in taking it. So something to be said there. Yeah, I'm with you on the annoyance of the low volume. Lack of follow through for my style of trading for sure. So there are some bids there. Let's see if we can drift into them. We still have 68.75 kind of being the topping protector of the S&Ps here. See if we can get this meandering a little bit lower here and then exchanging back at those 300s with some strength. I mean, it's pretty lame that we're seeing these low volume, huge monster candles. Like there it goes again, just fucking low volume, just blasting off. Super annoying. I guess I shouldn't be a dick for a tick in this market. Very low volume still. Very close to 298 and 3/4. 290. I don't even know what we're at P&L wise for that. Okay, diving back down here. Let's see if we can crunch these bids. Still extremely low volume. The NASDAQ is showing more elevated pressure here versus the S&Ps, which is not great as well. We're seeing divergence again. The NASDAQ is hyper jumpy here. Super annoying, to be honest. So still underneath 68.75. We're just having like basically a 5-point range here in both the well, just the S&P range, really. I want to see if we can actually get into those bids that they're showing at 304. That would be... We would likely see this drop into 68.71 in the S&Ps. But right now, just holding these bids in the NAS. There's not that many thicker bids in the S&Ps either, so seeing this sell down into those, I mean, it really wouldn't take that much volume to see this cutting lower, but it is what it is. Yeah, I thought we would have got a little small amount of follow through, so I'm just waiting to see if we can wait out this market and bring us back down to that area of price that we're looking at. 304 essentially is where it needs to trade down to. We are selling off in the S&Ps. We need a bigger sell-off in order to cut through these bids at 310s now, but yeah, it's the NASDAQ is extremely, extremely jumpy here. $68.75 still the line in the sand. It looks like it wants to tag that liquidity before possibly dropping right back down. It's the timing on this that makes it very difficult to get back out and then try to get back in and miss probably 10 or 15 handles. So I'm seeing if we can hold for maybe a tag at 75 and then a rejection. Yeah, NASDAQ has a lot more buying pressure than the S&Ps here. S&Ps are very much in a tight range, about 2.5 handles, while the NASDAQ is pushing around 10 handles. So 5x the movement in this very tight range. So let's see here. It's going for 68.75, but if we get a rejection there, we should see this slamming back down. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Nothing I can do about it. We still haven't tapped 68.75. It's pretty likely we're going to get stopped out here. Size down or close? No. Why would I do that? Feels like New York session has been chop all week and real movement is in Asia or London. I don't even think the movement's been in Asia or London, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's still holding, still holding. S&P is still very weak here, still very weak. They're not tagging that higher point of liquidity, but we're not finding that snap sell below 71, which is what we need for this position to work. It hasn't been a great week for momentum trading, that's for sure. It's been a lot of teases and fake outs and shakeouts, and yeah, nothing really working great, unfortunately. They still haven't tagged that liquidity at 75, which makes me think we're just going to get stopped out here. It's going to bring us into that 75 liquidity. Probably pop towards 333. So. Somebody is trying to front run that liquidity at 75, but I don't think it's going to stop this. We're going to get stopped out on this trade, 100%. 100%. Dude, if this goes back down for here, I'm going to be so annoyed. It stopped out one account, so I'll be so annoyed and have one odd account out. That would be really fucking annoying. Really hold up here over the weekend. No, I think we're actually going to have this rip straight down off the open because this is such weak buying. I think this is just squeezing people like me out right before we go lower off the open. 100%. Dude, I'll actually be so bummed if this does end up flushing from here because we have one account. I don't want 4 accounts. I don't want 4 accounts. It'd be a nightmare for accounts. It'd be a fucking nightmare. All right. I don't even want to watch them. I just wanted to stop me out. If it goes back down, I'm going to be super bummed. So I'll wait until probably till the top of the hour, see if we get some more liquidity. You can see the market's just been completely flat with volume here, which has really been the trend of the whole week. We've been seeing it just basically like bursts of volume and then literally no follow through, no liquidity, no follow through. Yeah, it's been super lame. Let's see if we can, what do we have? Our Lucid eval accounts. Lucid eval accounts, we could try to, I mean, they're still going for that 875 tag in the S&Ps. Let's see if they take it, and then I can just go full into this. All right, I'm just gonna try it here. All right, we are short in our Lucid fund and fucking evaluation accounts, whatever they're called. So you can see right there, we did exactly what I said we were gonna do. We faked into 68.75 and we dropped like a rock. So huge shocker there, coloring me completely shocked. I'm so completely shocked. Trying to time that and the other accounts would be a fucking nightmare. So. Back down to 68.71. We have to break. We have to find sellers here for this to work. Where's the other thing? See if this wants to flush those 300s at all. It bounced right at 68.70. Boy, this is so violently range bound. And so we bounced off Asia's high again. See, if it was up to me, I'd be probing that liquidity into Asia's high, getting all of these early longs in trouble and going for it. So I'm assuming these are still not blown. Yeah, these are not blown. I don't know what I'm gonna do if we get 4 accounts, so it's really annoying. Whatever. Does increased margin requirements from brokers have anything to do with that? I mean, it's only 25%. It's not like we're at 100% margins. That's the thing. We're not at 100% margins. If we were at 100% margins, then fuck yeah, I'd be like, oh yeah, that's for sure something that is a huge piece of concern. It's just, bro, this fucking liquidity is trash, brother. It is straight fucking ass. Microsoft just broke below the VWAP, but only by 10 cents. If Microsoft continues to drop, we could start to revisit those. Like maybe down there at 373 evens. Let's see. Maybe we can get that pressure from Microsoft. Really, the only one that's holding things up is Nvidia. And I mean, Nvidia is, the way that it's trading right now is complete ass. Does it matter if 5-minute candles don't have a bottom wick? I mean, it's kind of annoying, isn't it? Trade 5 more TPT evals and you can have backup funded accounts in addition to group of 5. TPT lets you bank funded accounts beyond 5. Okay, good to know. Good to know. It's just the whole 5 trading days thing that roasts my chestnuts. That's all. So we're looking for another test and break of 300, given that, I mean, this is overall weakness. That little push up was just such a joke. The grind higher was an absolute joke. So we break Asia's high here. It's pretty likely that we'll start. I mean, we could auction as low in this push, 292, possibly. Microsoft messing around here. We're just holding slightly above 300. Let's see, sellers are definitely in play still. Oh, you know what? We have 1 minute, 1 minute and 10 seconds. That's when we'll start to get some more algorithms trading this price. Maybe we'll crack through 68.70 here on that. It's starting to fade a little bit more. 71s are trading in the S&Ps. Okay, there's your 300 crack. Now we need to see that follow through below 300 now. Oh, it's right at 9 a.m. too. Oh, I hate it. Oh, they go right to 300. We break Asia's high. We should have continuation below that. I mean, you would think that there's just gonna be a slighter amount of momentum through that. 15 seconds now until the bottom of the, or top of the hour rather. Ripsmog, can you ban Richard if he talks about structure or anything trading here? Effing nerd, what a loser. I don't hear you talking about trading. What I hear you talking about is bitching about what other people are talking about. And that is pretty low T energy there, Richard. Okay, there's your 9 a.m. Let's see if we can bust through these 300s now. There's that weakness that I was targeting earlier. We were just early to the fucking trade. Did we actually get, hold on, I don't want to jinx it or check. Ha! Yeah, great. Well, there's 4 accounts passed. Fucking 1 account blown, 4 accounts passed. How annoying is that, huh? Pretty annoying. I'm actually very annoyed by that. All right, whatever. I'm just gonna take that down on Lucid. I mean, it's just infuriating market. What the F is a gunny goohoo? Goonie goohoo? I fucking don't know. The fuck is a goonie goohoo? The fuck am I supposed to know that or something? At least you know how we feel. I mean, dude, we passed 4 accounts. Eddie Murphy Delirious. It's been a while since I've seen that show. Should be proud you still got those TPT accounts alive by a tick. Brother, you seem to be mistaking me for somebody who gives a flying fuck. You seem to be very emotionally involved in my accounts. Are you doing okay with your accounts, buddy? Like, are you doing okay? You seem to have a very strong opinion about my accounts and my money. Are you so concerned as a grown adult male about another man's pockets? Or are you just a I'm just curious. Real question for you, South Tribe. Are you just a or are you like actually concerned about another grown man's pockets? You yourself being a grown man. Because to me, it sounds like you're a little bit of a fruit bat. You know what I mean? I'm just saying, I'm just speaking facts. You sound a little bit like you love to take it up the ass. Like a real fucking you know what I mean? I'm just saying. If we can be adults here and have an adult conversation. You come across as a flying you know what I mean? No, I don't look like you. Send me a picture. Let's show it on stream. Let's show what you look like on stream. Furthermore, I'll send you $10,000 via Venmo if you attach that selfie of yourself with your accounts today and how you're doing. And if they're profitable and they're funded accounts, I'll Venmo you $10,000. What do you say? I think that's a fair value. What do you think? $10,000 via Venmo. Send me a selfie of yourself and your trades being profitable in a funded account today. Let's see it. What do you think, folks? Do you think this can produce that? He's gone quiet, folks. He's gone quiet. What happened? What happened, buddy? Where'd you go? He's gone. Yeah, no, I know everybody else can do that, but you guys don't have the low beta energy. I don't send pics of me to males, that's gay. But you sound like the person who could really have their life changed by $10,000. I'm just putting that out there. How come it's always the fucking that never ever want to get $10,000 for free? Isn't it strange how that works out? It's always the little keyboard warriors, the guys who are like, you're gonna lose this trade. And then I'm like, cool, man. If you could show me your funded accounts and send me a selfie of yourself, I'll send you $10,000 and change your life this morning. And they never do it. And they sit there and go, I fucking hate this guy. I hate him. It would be more than he makes straight. Brother, it would be more than he's ever seen in his entire bank account. We all know that. Everybody in here knows that, and everybody's in on the joke, except for him. He's the only one who doesn't get the joke yet. Wait, hold on. South Tribe, do you have mirrors in your house? Maybe you do get the joke. Hold on. Do you actually have mirrors in your house? Walk by a mirror. Oh, fuck, that's me. Shit. God damn it. He's on HB1 and probably drawing unemployment. I'm telling you, $10,000 would completely change South Tribe's life. Completely and totally. And I wanted to bless him this morning because God knows that life has been rough for this guy. Oh, you speak Spanish. Pinche maricón, chupa mis huevos, pinche joto. Does that make sense to you? You probably heard that one a lot, actually. Pinche maricón. Anyway, I always love, there's always one little shithead in chat. It's funny too, because this guy like watches me every single day. Every single day. How do you hate somebody so much that you tune into their stream every single day? Every day you come here and you show up. Oh, fuck. That's pretty funny. Every single day. Every day. He had a bad day. I mean, dude, I don't understand. You don't get anywhere in life by hating on other people. I'll just say that. You don't get anywhere in life by hating on other people. You just end up living your life and then dying and everybody forgets about you. If that's how you want to live your life, then hey, fuck it, go for it. Did the overs or unders win? Let's find out. Tell me, overs or unders? Unders? Okay. Overs? Oh, well, I paid the unders. Sorry. Whatever. You guys all said unders, so I paid the unders. Sorry. You guys literally go back and look at chat. Everybody spam the unders, so well, pay the unders. All right, let's see here. Do. Okay, Serdar is getting a 1 week timeout, or 1 day. Okay. Unders, change my name. Timeout. 1 day. Okay, so it was just 2 people. They were spamming it. And when they try to claim something, I will just accept their claim and then delete it. Perfect. Try that shit again. You're enjoying the Baron traders more? What are the Baron trades? I mean, bro, this price action is trash, brother. This price action is dog shit. I'm still annoyed by the fucking... This fucking... Dude, and I made well over what I needed to make. I made 5... I didn't even need to make that much. Look at this. I didn't even need to make that much. I made well over. I didn't even need to make that much. Annoying. Super annoying, bro. How long do you think people should paper trade before going live? Minimum 9 to 12 months of consistent profitability in props in order to go to a cash account. All right. Serdar 98 changed. Okay. Paper trading is pointless. Buy a cheap eval. I think you should paper trade before buying an eval, personally. Tradeify Select or Funded Seat One Step Daily. I like the Funded Seat One Step Daily, even though I hit my daily loss limit on those today, but, you know. Oh, there we go. The margins are back. 24 minutes ago, the margins are back. So I think the open should give us some opportunities. I don't know what the fuck I'm going to trade. Maybe these Lucid accounts, I guess. Try to trade these Lucid accounts. All right, let's do another over-unders prediction. Let's do this. 9:46. Let's do this. Hey Ribs, how do you keep track of all the different evals when you're talking between all of them, or are you just looking at the first couple letters? I mean, I just know. I know which tab is where. I know which tab is where, baby. Man, how much more drawdown do I have in these things? Oh, dude, $200? Nah. I might just buy 5 more. I only have $200 more in my funded seed accounts. That's not worth it. I think I should just delete those. How's the new mods on your car? It'll be 6 weeks before they are built. So 6 weeks is how long it takes. If I went through another person, it would take like 14, 18, 25 weeks. But these guys are really fast. They're like one of the best distributors of Novatech. So they're building my wheels within 6 weeks. What's the payout cap on a Tradeify 1 day to pass 150K account? Which size? Or which program? I answered that question, dude. I was late to the stream today, and when I asked you were on tilt, what was the big news you talked about on Wednesday Globex stream? Huh? I have no idea. What's the next super quick? I just bought one. I don't really need another one. To be honest, I was even like hesitant to even buy this one, you know, but I wanted to reward myself. I don't need it. Just, just nice. Okay, let's see here. Growth account. Let me see. Okay, growth. So 150K growth account, you can take $2,500 on your first payout. $2,500. Rips, you know this, but Trade Evade is literal dog shit. Yeah, man. I mean, it really is. It's horrible. Do you know that does Wealth Charts has sec time frame? I don't know. Rips, I know you said your style is discretionary, but have you ever considered qualifying to amplify your edge further probabilities? Yeah, dude, I backtested my strategy a ton. Especially when I was first starting. All I did was like backtest. All I did was to try to discover what was going to work for me. Dude, when I first started trading, I was completely fucking clueless. I mean, I still could be clueless, who knows? But when I first started trading, I had no fucking clue what I was doing. And I started trading 12 years ago, so there wasn't like a bunch of curly-haired dipshits around there being like, I trade this thing or whatever. I trade the very value you have. You know, I didn't have anything, so the only thing I had was to try to like backtest my shit. That's it. Okay, so Richard, you were talking about people like providing like trade ideas and everything. This is your chat history from today. Like, I don't see a single number written. Like, you're just fucking weirdo. You talk shit about other people, then you just have a fucking Asperger's attack live on stream. So I don't really understand what's going on there. Like, you're having a fucking tism tantrum. Not really sure what's going on there. You know? You alright, bud? Dude, when the market is fucking range bound and nothing has happened, people get crazy. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'll get crazy when the market's doing nothing. I'm not gonna read that. I'm not even gonna entertain you. Ribs, I have a problem with Tradeify. Can you help me, please? Love you. Yes. What's the problem? Man, I need a good session today. I want to pass the e-ball. I mean, dude, the fucking trash that we're getting in these markets is just not great. I got stopped out on my funded seed accounts because we had this fucking grind, then pop! So annoying. It's all good. I think they're, I can't even remember. I think they're 2 dated pass. Yeah, they're 2 dated pass. So I gotta I haven't activated my Apex PAs still. I'm gonna wait until Monday. I'm literally gonna wait until Monday for my Apex PAs. Monday. Lunes. No, martes. Lunes? Martes? Lunes. I always get that mixed up. Because martes should not be Tuesday. Martes should be Monday. What was I just gonna do? Oh yeah. Stop being a pussy, do it today. I mean, in this price action, seems like a fool's errand, don't you think? I haven't been trading the best this week, so why fuck it up even more, you know? Has not been my finest week of trading. You know? Like, dude, look at this price action. This is trash, brother. I'm saying that. I'd love to do something, but I mean, shit, give me a market I can trade, brother. Give me a fucking market that I can trade. I was fairly new to trading, but from what I'm seeing today, I'm leaning towards the short buys. How do you manage your buys and change on a dime? Being a discretionary trader, I mean, it really is just kind of what you do. So it's not easy. Just takes time. I want to know how to keep track. Dude, Dean, I literally answered your question. I answered your question, brother. I don't know how you missed it. How did you miss it? I literally answered your question. I know exactly where they are all. We talked about it from the top of the stream, actually. We showed every single trading platform and how it works. I literally answered that question, and we showed it on stream. For Apex, are you using EOD? I'm using EOD accounts, and they're still on sale. 90% off, still on sale. Hassett is talking right now. Kind of annoying. What's 90% off? Apex, baby. Apex is 90% off. What time is CPI today? Oh, you're going to hate this. But it was almost an hour ago. Did Apex make getting payouts easier? There's no more payout in the house. You literally can't get denied a payout on their new accounts. On their new accounts. On their new accounts. In the legacy accounts, yes. In the new accounts, you cannot. They have a whole new system. Yo, Apox with the 5 gifted. Thank you so much. Insane. I don't know why. But okay. Yeah, this is CPI right here. That was CPI. This, also known in trading circles, was the South Tribe trades candle. He was short right here and blew all of his funded accounts. Oh wait, he doesn't have any funded accounts. He can't pass an eval. My bad. I get it mixed up all the time. It was better than expected? No, it was CPI came in way hotter than expected. Yeah, if you just rewatch the stream, Dean, I showed it all on stream, but you just, I have multiple tabs for trade evades and I have trade C. So it's very, very easy to catch all of it. My personal opinion is that Tradeify 150K growth account is not near as good as 150K top sub account. Well, okay, so let's go through this. What do you like about the top sub account? Let me tell you about another firm that's as close as possible to that. Rips, I'm looking to open an AMP personal account for futures. What's your recommendation for a platform? I mean, I trade on TradingView. You might hate it, but I like TradingView. TradingView via CQG. What's a good eval to trade options? They don't make one. It doesn't exist. There's no options trading for evals. You hate Tradeify? Okay, can you tell me why? Did you already say? I was trying to help you. It said I failed the evaluation, but I didn't. I'm at break even right now. Can you send me a screenshot and I can go through it? I mean, I'm guessing that you have an end of day trailing drawdown and then you dipped into that end of day trailing drawdown. I'm on x.com/rips or instagram.com/ripstrades. And prop for options. I haven't seen it. I mean, I don't want to talk about any prop firm for options, especially if I haven't seen it or use it. I don't want to put that name out there. Tasty Trades is the best for your cash options account. I mean, if you want to do very complex strategies, sure. But like, if you're not doing complex strategies, like let's just say you're buying leaps, you don't need Tasty Trade. There's no reason for that. If you're just buying leaps and you want to auto roll leaps, there's no need to do that. Ribs, why don't you trade my funded futures? No interest. It's simple, low rules, $200 for no activation account, 5K payout cap, no daily loss, no DLL, no consistency in funded. Okay. Funded seat. There is a payout cap. No, 5K payout cap. Yeah, do funded seat then. Funded seat. What else is similar to that? I mean, alpha, but it's a little bit more expensive, and there's the 5K cap is 15,000. Funded seat, but can't use Ninja. Are you sure? You can use Rhythmic. Rhythmic is Ninja. I'm almost positive you can use Ninja, brother, in funded seat. Let me see. Instant funded or one step daily 150K. Continue. Yeah, bro, you can use Rhythmic. What are you talking about? We can't use Ninja? Wait, what? What? I haven't tried funded seat or looked into that. What deal should I be looking at? I trade the one step daily accounts. I was literally fucking $2,000 away from a payout and I fucked it up because this price action ain't my bag, brother. I was very close to getting a payout and I fucked it all up. So, do you know if you can use multiple Rhythmic prop accounts on Ninja Trader? Yes, of course you can. What's your comparison of Ninja versus TradingView? I mean, I traded on Ninja Trader when I traded on Top Step. It was fine. TradingView is faster to me. TradingView is way faster for me. Way faster. You can only use one Rhythmic connection in Ninja, which is the only. Yeah. At one single time. Yeah, it's very slow. Yeah. I get what you're saying. What other prop is similar to Top Step? They have no consistency. 150 per 5. Alpha. Alpha has no consistency. 5 days of $200 or more, and the payout cap per account is $15,000. So 90 seconds to go. 90 seconds. I'm gonna try my Lucid Pro evaluation accounts. I mean, whatever. That's really all I have, right? Oh, I can do my my alphas. I can do my alphas. I kind of want to do these bad doggers. Oh, check your copy trader. Tradeovate deselected them for you. Thank you, Tradeovate. I love you. Check your copy traders in Tradeovate. Tradeovate deselected mine for me. Thank you, Tradeovate. You tried to trick me again, you little bitch. Not today, motherfuckers. Not today. Apex I haven't bought yet. I have Apex PAs. I didn't buy them yet. I got to buy them. I'm going to trade them next week. I'm probably going to wait, though. I'm probably going to wait until the market conditions go back to something great, you know? Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? 30 seconds. Let's go. Why did you stop using Top Step? Because I traded exclusively on Top Step for 2 years, and now I can trade every fucking prop from under the sun. So why not? I traded Top Step exclusively for 2 years, brother. Or like a year and a half. It's a long fucking time. All right, let's see what happens here. Fucking can go either way. Here we go. 2, 1, and boom. Nice. Green and equities. Microsoft is trying to reclaim 3. Nope. There it goes. Right back down. Microsoft sells hard sellers in Microsoft. Wow. Big volume. Big sellers in Microsoft. Big sellers in Microsoft. Big sellers in Apple. Decent sellers in Apple. Let's see if they recover from that. Nvidia, Amazon, Google, and Meta all very strong here, which is what is holding the NASDAQ up. Little bounce here from Microsoft. Send me the screenshot. I'll check them out after we're done. You know, market just open, brother. Microsoft bouncing, but now the NASDAQ's coming down. What the fuck? Oh, Nvidia's pulling back, dude. Nvidia's like literally controlling the NASDAQ lately. It's really fucking annoying. Something leadership trans. No, that's. I thought it was Iranian leadership transition. Never mind. Wow, we are booing right now. Big recovery here from Microsoft. We are doing a little bit of a range breakout here. Let's see if we can hold strong above 50s. Survey says not yet. Well, wait, reclaim? Maybe? Dude, I'm so sick of this range shit. We made it about 70% of the way of the CPI candle. Just about 70% of the CPI candle. Microsoft's super strong here. All right, I'm gonna follow the motion of Microsoft here because Microsoft is super strong. Nvidia is still holding super strong, so we're long here. I want to see this break out of this range and then try to target higher liquidity here. Let's see if we can rally above the 60s. See if, dude, continuation says what? Fucking Christ! One day we're gonna get continuation in the market, but that day is not today, is it? Ah, I miss momentum. I miss it so much. It was so fun. Only this market can go 40 to 20 or 40 to 60, 20 points and literally stop dead in its tracks, right? Yeah, I see the ES is dropping here, but it really hasn't fucking dictated the movement of the NASDAQ, as you know. Let's see if we reclaim 50s here. Big reclaim coming in potentially at 50s. Holy shit, what is going on in this market? Okay, let's see. Okay, big bids at 50. Good Lord. Fucking hell. This is like a momentum trader's nightmare market. Back to 60s. Can we break out 60s? Probably not. Let's fucking go back down 20 points. This is just so fucking fruity. This is the South Tribe market. Holy shit. Dicks up the ass market. How about some continuation? What do you say? Through 60s. I guess this is an add-on pullbacks only market. No adding into continuation. You'll get fucking owned. Oh, fucking hell. S&P's dropping here. Looking for continuation through the 60s. Holy hell, it's just one fucking area of price. Dude, Nvidia is going to the goddamn moon. Microsoft going to the goddamn moon. S&P's dropping like a rock because Apple is not sure what it wants to do. Hey, wow, a breakout? No way. What? Never met her. What's she look like? Holy fuck. It's a breakout. Just kidding. Ha ha ha. You thought there was a breakout, did you? How about a pullback? Good fucking God, this is AIDS, dude. This is so fucking bad. All right, I'll take that off for a scratch. Fuck you, market. Jesus Christ, this sucks. Like I said, this is a momentum trader's nightmare. This is fucking nightmarishly bad. I mean, dude, we're right, but like I'm not holding it anymore. It's so stupid. Range fucking bound bullshit. Tell me how Microsoft and Nvidia, which are two of the heaviest weights of the NASDAQ, are going straight to the goddamn motherfucking moon, but we're seeing pullbacks in the S&Ps and NASDAQ. Somebody make it make sense to me, because this is not my market. I'm not touching funded. Well, I don't have any funded accounts attached, do I? Yeah, I don't. I was going to say, I'm not touching funded today. I already did it. Too late. Holy shit. Okay, Nvidia's starting to pull back a little bit here. Oh, and as I say that, the market goes up. Interesting. I'm so confused by this market. All right, S&P's very, very weak here. Very, very weak S&P's. All right, I'm short. I'm going to trade like a moron. Let's try to be fucking short, and this is not a trade that I like, but I'll fucking trade like a moron here. Cool. It's working. Nice. Fucking lovely. Awesome. Now watch. There's no shot we could ever break below 300s, right? Because this is the area of price that we're at earlier. There's no shot that we'll ever break it. No continuation. We'll go right back up to 60s at this rate. Because why the fuck not? 310s maybe. 310s maybe. Nope. Oh, I fucking hate this market so much. I guess the name of the game is to aim for no more than 10 points in this market. That's the name of the game here. If you try to aim for more than 10 points, you're gonna get fucking cracked off. Okay. Trying 310s again. Okay, I'm just gonna cover that. I don't know. The market is just the fucking worst right now. This is terrible. This is just fucking AIDS, brother. See if we retake 30s here. Still very weak in the S&Ps. Extremely weak in the S&Ps still. Rejecting 30s. Did we get that real rejection at 30s? Probably not, right? If we go from 30 to 60, I'm just gonna laugh. Yeah. I missed that chat. What did this guy say? I am lost. You're up sometimes 2 to 3K, but then you don't take it? Brother, if I had a time machine and I could stop out at every single time I'm at the most P&L, I would be a trillionaire. Literally be a trillionaire. Like, bro, why? I see you like you're at your profit peak. Why don't you take that? What the fuck? I don't understand. Like I see you like you were in a trade, you were up $3,000, but then you only closed it for 2. Why? Look at that. Seriously, 260. This is unreal. Maybe I should, dude, because it's like, it's unbelievable that it would do that. I don't know, man. What's 3K for someone that paid $4,500 to register is right? Dude, I fucking wish it was $4,500. It's fucking $9,000 to register my car. $9,000, brother. And that's like with a discount, by the way. That was with a discount because I already registered my car earlier this year and it was like fucking another 7 or 8. So Nevada DMV loves me. They should give me like a fucking fruit basket or something. Wait, somebody hit up South Tribe. I said fruit baskets. Nice. Back to 330. God, why am I just not like trading the dumbest levels ever? Like, oh, 60, back to 30. Why don't we just trade this shit? All right, back in the shorts. Whoever was the dumb shit who's like, why don't you close? Tell me when to close, bro. Tell me when to close. Tell me when to close. Tell me when my peak profit's gonna be, brother. I need to know, because I certainly do not. What's my peak profit on this trade? Trade ain't freaking out. Not for me, actually. I mean, it's one of those rarities where it's actually working. Oh my God. Can you ever break a fucking level? Is it allowed in your fucking price action today? Can we break 310s? Can you fucking, there you go. A little bit harder now. Fucking hell, dude. Jesus fucking Christ. Thank you. All right. Made 1,600 bucks on that trade. Was that the peak? Or should we have held that one? I'm not going to try to be cute for the break of 300s because Lord knows they're not going to give it to us, but maybe they will. Who fucking knows in this market? Who the fuck knows in this market? What's your reason for a short here mid-range? Because following momentum. 2 key areas of price. Break of 310s is what I was trading. Oh, God. Now we're going to get it. Yeah, there it goes. Guess we could have done a little PNC there from 310 to 290. Rips, had you made millions in his Percy account, like, why don't you close? Guy must be new. Yeah, no. I'm shit at trading. Just remember, I'm dog shit at trading, bro. I'm the worst trader on YouTube. Don't worry. $111,000 makes a whiz. What? English this time, please. I've been stream trading 3 years. Over 3 years, I think, actually, no. I gotta check. I think it's over 3 years. Anybody else? I mean, God, there's somebody out there that is just fucking blasting jizz all over this market that is like loving this range. I hate this style of market, dude. The market that literally just like goes into these range. I do not. I like fucking fast moving, really ridiculous markets. This is just not it for me. Somehow we're making a profit, but fucking hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Oh, I hate it so much. I loved the tariff trading. Wait, what is it? Is it the... Oh, it's next week is Mopex. I was like, is it Mopex? No. That would be... Still wouldn't make any sense of it, but yeah. If it was Mopex. Who's enjoying this market? It's not my style. I mean, you're very welcome to enjoy the shit out of this market. It's just so not my style. Like, I want to short here, but I'm not going to. I feel like the market's gonna rip my dick off. It would make sense to short here, in my opinion, but I'm not touching it. Mod spelled alpha wrong. Okay. Is the news at 10 a.m. making this more? No, dude. The news at 10 is boring. The news at 10 is like the CPI is what everybody was waiting for. All the margins have returned back to normal. You know, like everything's fine. The 10 a.m. news, nobody really gives a fuck about, dude. Like at all. Just telling you. Oh, I should have just taken my trade. That was a nice PNC, actually. We're holding underneath 70s. Remember how big of a deal 70s was earlier in the day. I'm gonna try this short. Need to break 310s. 310s are everything. There we go. A little bit fucking softer now. Can you give me 305? That's all I want. Papa wants 305. How about 305s? Can you give me 305s? A little bit of motion. Almost. You almost did it. All right, I'm gonna stop being a dick for a tick in this stupid fucking market. I hate it. Dude, are you fucking... Okay, whatever. Yeah, there you go. Cool. I fucking hate you so much. Look at this. Look at this shit. I fucking hate this shit so much. This is so stupid. It's so stupid. Tap a level, reject 10 points. Okay, sure. Dude, it's funny too because every single time I'm patient, like if I was still holding that trade, it just feels like every single time I'm patient and I don't take it off, like it just goes straight back to 60. Ha 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 ha. You know what I mean? Like if I'm not a dick for a tick, I get it off and then it goes. If I am a dick for a tick, it just reverses 800 points in my fucking face. What a level for the points gamble. 1 minute left. Somebody's got to let me know if it's overs or unders. I'll pay whatever you guys say it is. I'm not going to look. I don't give a shit. You guys want to fucking do this, go ahead. Anybody who says the wrong thing clearly is just going to get banned from getting giveaways. So sucks for you guys. Still having a good day trading. I mean, dude, it doesn't, like, the profit doesn't matter. It's my execution. Like, I don't give a fuck about making profit. Like, I do, but I don't. Like, I'd rather be executing like a fucking rock star, you know? Like, I know that I can make money trading the markets. Like, I want to be executing like a fucking demon, dude. You know? Rejection at 330, maybe. Nope. Maybe. They've been overshooting rejection points, so maybe let's see. What the fuck am I supposed to do with 4 TBT accounts, by the way? I'm short. What the fuck am I supposed to do with 4 TBT accounts, by the way? Adding for the sweep of 325 now? Adding into that? Let's go. 325. Sweep it. You can do it. Put your back into it, baby girl. Oh my lord. How the fuck are you guys functioning like this? Right there, fucking sweeping, you fucking bitches. Good lord, I fucking hate everything about this price action. Right there, good lord, fuck you. I fucking can't believe that they refuse to sweep fucking normal levels of fucking, okay, I'm out. Again, scratch trade. I don't know if they're gonna send it 800 points higher again. Like, Jesus Christ. It's unbelievable. They just refuse to fucking tap into areas of price. It's fucking, thank God I fucking called it right there, but Jesus Christ. Overs won. Okay, paying the overs. Not even looking. There you go. Overs win. Congrats. Let's see this. 5 minutes for the next one. I hate it. What else can I say? Like, I fucking hate this shit, bro. Like, this is just so stupid. Stupid. I hate it so much. I fucking hate this type of pricing. I mean, look at. This is the type of trading where it's like fucking somebody in YouTube is like, this guy sucks. I've been fucking nailing it. Like, good, man, I'm happy for you, but like, holy shit, this is not my fucking speed. Holy shit, dude. This is not my fucking speed of market, bro. I know I'm green. I get it. I'm green. I understand, but I don't feel good about it because I'm not executing like a goddamn rock star. I hated this week. I didn't take any payouts this week. I hated this week, bro. Yeah, dude, this is what I hate too, is the divergence is fucking me up, bro. The divergence is fucking me up so bad. All right, you know what? I'm gonna go for like a 7-point scalp or something here. Dude, this divergence is fucking hilarious, bro. S&P's going up, NASDAQ coming down. Sure, man. Fuck yeah, let's go. Do it again. Don't let your emotions get to you, brother. This must be your first time watching the stream. If you think this is emotional, this got to be your first time ever watching the stream. You think this is me being emotional? Holy shit. All right, we're going to try a short on this pop right there. I'm in one short. Looking for continuation now. Front running the liquidity 25, and we're out. One contract. Yay, go fucking us. Never when I'm like, I'm gonna fucking go for this. I hate you, market. Fucking. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Sure, man. All right, 310s, back to 310s. I'm gonna try the dumbass trade. Dude, everything's weak though. I want to try the dumbass trade, but I feel like I'm gonna get clocked in the face. I'm long. I'm doing the dumbass trade. I'm long. I'm gonna do the dumb shit trade. The retarded dumb shit trade. I'm long. I don't like being long. I would rather short it. But I'm going to do the dumb fucking trade and be like, well, the market doesn't do anything that we think it's going to do, so let's do the dumb shit. I want to be short right now. I'm just telling you. Hey, look at that. The dumb fucks win. Yay. Fuck yeah. And we're out. Cool. I guess we could have held it for longer. I don't feel comfortable in that type of trade. I really don't. I don't feel comfortable in that type of trade. We would have made a lot more. Jesus. Son of a bitch. D-Zerf says now dump 100 points to 206. Brother, I was long. Why do you want to see me lose? Well, I don't know why I can't get 4K in profit on these fucking accounts, by the way, today. It's like, I'm allergic to $4,000 in profit. Fuck, we should have just held. I should have stuck to the dumbass trade. We should have just fucking held. I was like, I'm going to hold this in my head. I was like, I'm going to hold this thing to 330. Fucking should have done it. Fucking hell. We had the perfect entry, too. What a dumb shit I am for not holding. Jesus. Crazy, huh? Crazy work, brother. Data coming out in 8 minutes. Not important, but who cares? That was insane. Did anybody actually hold that thing the whole way? All right, we're back short now. Let's fucking take it all the way down. Try to get $4,000 in profit here. Are they going to squeeze the 50s first? I'm just doing the opposite of what I'd normally do. Like, I would be following momentum for a break of 50s here. So I'm just trying to do the opposite of what I do. See if it works. Right now, it's working a treat. Oh my God. Nope, I started to do what I usually do. I started to do what I usually do. Fucking A, goddamn it. Oh my God, fuck you, just fucking go. Just go. Go. Yes, there we go, okay. Julie says, you had 4K. Get the fucking time machine out then, brother. I need a fucking cigarette. Hate this market. Dude, I would have been trading for the break of 50s there. So I just did the opposite of what I'd usually do. Why is your entry level price changing in real time? Because I'm scamming. You understand that, right? I'm trading on a 15-second delay on a paper account so that I can scam you to believe that I actually know what I'm doing, Michael. Or wait, hold on. I know what it is. It's called fucking averaging into a position. When your size changes, the fucking average price changes. I don't know. Or that. Fuck. That's probably what it is. Damn. Shit. That's probably what it is. People are so funny. Wait. It's not that, fam. I just look at your quantity didn't change. Okay, ready? Okay. That's it. Just about had it today. Let's watch the whole trade together, shall we? Ready? Let's watch the whole fucking trade together. Here we go. Okay, let's watch the position. Okay, there's my average, 332 and 3/4 at 9 contracts. Still at 32 and 9, 32 and 9, still 32 and 9, still 32 and 9, still 32 and 9. Oh, 34 and 12, 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 35 and 15, 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 35 up, 35 and 18, 35 and 18. 34 at 30, 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 35 at 45, 35 at 45, that's max size. Let's see if it changes from 35, 57, 35, 57, 35, 57 at 45, 35, 57, 35, 57, 35, 57, 37 at 15 and out. Okay, Michael, what do you have to say for yourself? Let's see. What do you have to say for yourself, Michael? We'll wait. We got time, bro. Come on, Michael. Come on. Where you at, bro? Michael! Hey, Michael! Michael! How come they always go silent? This is what I don't understand. They have, oh, I'm making espresso. Okay, cool. I'll be out in a minute. I'm in your mom's bedroom fucking the shit out of her right now. Make one for me too. Thank you. Appreciate it. Make one for me too, you fucking Make one for me too. Mom's dead? I'm fucking her corpse, pal. Jesus Christ, you didn't clean it up. I'm fucking her corpse. Find somebody who cares, dude. He actually said, okay, you win? Nope. He said, nope. Didn't say that. Yes, I did. Whatever. I don't care. This market is fucking tilting the shit out of me, if you couldn't figure that out. Still green, but this market is tilting the shit about me. LOL, you win. Okay. Oh, I thought he was talking about like that I win trades. I misinterpreted it. My bad. Michael, I'm not fucking your mom's course. I was making that up. I'm actually not in your mom's bedroom. You don't have to make me an espresso, so you can put the cup away. Put the cup, I see you. Put the cup away. I'm not actually there. Put the cup away. It's okay. I don't even want one. Espresso's ready. Fuck! I'm not going to be there in time. I hate this market, guys. I fucking hate this market. I hate everything about this market. I want nothing to do with this market. I'm so tired of this market. Let's recap here. What have we done in this market? Hold on. Let's put this market to music. That's the market today. It's a fucking miracle that I'm green, by the way. 10 a.m. coming. Yoko Ono. Pretty close. See if we hold 290 or fail. I don't know, man. Oh, God, I hate everything about this. Oh, God. Factory orders are 2/10 hotter. Who cares? University of Michigan. Literally nobody cared about this today. Expectations are up on inflation. Nobody cared about this news today. I'm telling you right now. Literally nobody. Because CPI comes out today. Michigan sentiment versus CPI. Nobody gives a fuck about Michigan sentiment on that day. Ludwig says, been away for a few months from trading and this is my first day back. Holy. Yeah. I don't even trust this, man. I don't trust this. I'm sorry. I don't trust this. So retard me wants to go long now because I'm like, oh, well, it's going to go back to 60s, of course. Right? Should we just try the retard trade? I mean, I'm up a lot, so I don't know if I really want to be the retard right now. But I kind of feel like we should be. I want to follow this momentum, but what do we do? I want to follow this momentum so bad. Aha! We should have done the retard trade. All right, back long. We're long. We're long. Doing the retard shit. We're long. Yeah, give me the retard shit. Let's go. We're gonna fucking hold it too. Yeah, we're retarded. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go. Yes, it's working. 3-3-10s now. Because 3-10s should usually be an area where people would sell, but we're retarded today, right? We're fucking retarded. We're morons today. Fuck yeah. Yes. Keep sending it. Yes. I love it, and I'm out. Fuck yeah. Retardation works. I love it. Here's the deal, Baron. Anytime you see the price come down to an area where a momentum trader would trade it, reverse the fuck out of it and use your full amp account, son. Okay, Dad, I'll do that. Yes, Baron, control the market today. God, I hate it. I've never seen such fucking retardation in a market in my life. I think this could be the most upset I've been being green. Anybody take the Ripsy reversal? Because that was the best one. Oh, wait, dude, I can't even make anymore. 6,000 is the most I can make in a single session. Oh, shit. Okay, I gotta stop anyway. Fuck. Okay, Lucid. I can trade Lucid. Dude, how many people you think just got cooked on a short and then reshort and just got cooked again? Holy shit, man. This market is so fucked. Look at this shit, bro. What the fuck? What is this? What is this? What is this shit, man? What the fuck is this? It's not even 100 points, bro. It's not even 100 points. Holy fuck. Any fun plans this weekend? Tonight or today, I'm meeting up with Ferrari Phil, who brokered my Ferrari deal. And then I'm taking my wife out to dinner. And then tomorrow I'm taking my wife out to dinner. And then we're going to Pete Davidson. Never seen his comedy ever, but maybe I could be like a YouTuber and heckle him. Hey, Pete, you suck at trading. I'm not a trader. Oh, shit. That's right. I'm just so used to that. Green today and walking today. Have a nice weekend. Thanks, Rattlesnake. I appreciate you. I hope you have a nice weekend, too. Hey, Rips, have you heard any issues with TPT liquidating evals in the middle of the night? Were you trading on Tradeovate? Yeah, it is the best thing about living in Vegas is that there's so much entertainment out here. I'm fucking exhausted right now, boys. I want the market to be normal again because then we'll have less trolls in chat. Because then it's like less people trolling and it's like more people happy and like people are like stoked and shit. Like I enjoy a good roasting every now and again, but I miss like the positive vibes. This week has just been like shit market. Are you putting the effects on the new ride? Love that pick with those on it. Yes, I am. I ordered all of the parts yesterday. Here, I'll show you what I'm doing and what I'm not doing. Da 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 da. This is just Globex with news. Dude, it's horrible. This is terrible. I don't like anything about this price action. Do 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 boo boo boo. Yeah, catch me not being a fan of this shit at all. I think that's it, actually. Hold on, let me see one thing here. Now, this is a very crude style of drawing, but very, very crude. But this is, yeah, I mean, this is as close as you're gonna get to what it's gonna look like, I think. Let me just double check. Yeah. Okay. So this is what it's gonna look like right there. So we're getting the wheels that they're building right now. They're gonna take 6 weeks, 5-6 weeks to build. I already have this from factory, carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber from factory. I'm getting these little winglets right here, these little carbon fiber shark teeth. We're rolling now, of course. Like, dude, what the fuck? Why is it when I want to just like chill, the market goes, all right, we're ready. Fuck yeah, let's go. I'll never understand, bro. Okay, fine. You're gonna talk about your car. Fucking send it. Unders? Okay. Pay the unders. Let's do the slot one. I'm tired. I need to go work out. That's what I need to do. That's why I'm tired. I need to work out. I didn't work out yesterday. I was so fucking exhausted. All right. There we go. Okay, we retraced. We can talk about this again. Okay. All right, so they're building these wheels. I already have this from Ferrari. I already have that from Ferrari. Already installed in my car. These little winglets. I already have this from Ferrari. And I'm getting this ducktail wing, which is like the Assetto Fiorano package, but Novatec. And lowering springs are by Novatec as well. So that's what the car will look like when it's finished. So end of May, beginning of June is the estimate on when we'll actually have it all done. Because it's going to take 7 to 8 days to install all that shit. Yep, $650 bonus on today. Thought you really liked the wheels that are on it? I mean, I think these are better. These are monoblock and they're 21 inches in the front, 22s in the back. Much wider tires, so I'm going to have more grip. And it's a lower ride, which looks better. So Sorry to ask him, but what is the model again? SF90 Spider. What is your starting balance? $650. Said I'm gonna get an apocalypse goal by the end of the year from trading as an apocalypse Bronco. Nice. Hell yeah. How do these tires affect the speed of the car? It's more of a handling thing, not really speed. No, I'm gonna do 60 cent or $1 cap per spin. I just bought a McLaren W1, get it in about a month. Holy shit. That's insane. Wait, hold on. McLaren W1. Huh? Wait, huh? How? What? You have to be, dude. How? What? Brother, like, you have to be on so many. I don't even think, dude, I don't even think like my friend who like collects McLarens is even on the list for that. How? How the fuck did you get on the list for that? That's insane. How the fuck would you get on the list for that? I was like, wait a second. Have a billionaire friend that has the inn. Did he buy it for you? Like, wait, brother, I mean, like, I'm pretty sure the base price of that car is like 2.4 million. $2.1 million. Okay. Right on. Awesome. Rips, I was born in Vegas, and as a kid, I lived on the east and north side. Let me take a guess. Is the east side still sketchy? There's really nothing to the northeast that I'm aware of. The east of Las Vegas is Lake Las Vegas now. So Lake Las Vegas is beautiful, but northeast is sketch. What about scalping risk reward 1-to-1 with higher win rate for props? Totally fine. You got my vote of confidence. Recommendation on what I should be watching when looking at time and sales? I mean, for me personally, I look at it as like the heartbeat of the market. So. Speed of tape and size, yes, correct. Dude, this market is just refusing to do anything like follow through wise. So I feel like if you go anti follow through with a big enough stop, I feel like you can make money in this market. You know what I mean? Like big enough stop and just anti follow through. I think that's the move. Look at that. It just breaks 300s like it's nobody's fucking business. Isn't it crazy? Isn't this fucking nuts, bro? I mean, the S&Ps just went crazy. They've been trying to break 68.7 to the upside to fucking forever. How you learn to be calm after big wins, but when there's no setup right now? I just don't give a fuck. To be honest, like I'm not trying to troll or anything. Like I just don't care. I really don't care. When you trade for as long as I have been trading, 12 years, like you just stop giving a fuck. Like bro, I was very, 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 very fucking happy when I made money on that Trump candle, but I traded it again. Like I traded it both ways, up and down. And I traded the second part of it basically when I was gambling. When I was fucking, that sounds weird, but when I was spinning slots on stake, I was literally streaming live and I traded it again. Multiple times. I traded like 4 or 5 times on the way down. I mean, you just don't care. You just don't care. Like, bro, when you've lost 7 figures in a day and you've made 7 figures in a day, like, you just stop giving a fuck. I don't know. It's just a time thing, I think. It was long at 3:15, and for some reason we gave a fucking shit about some dumb Hicks opinion in the Midwest, and we dumped off some bullshit. How do you really feel, Corgo? Holy shit. The Michigan sentiment. That's funny. PA seems to be going from value added high or value area high to value area low, back and forth and back and forth. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It's just, you know, you just stop caring at some point, I guess. You don't really give a shit. Doom, doom, ba-doom, doom. Doom, doom, ba-doom, doom. Doom, doom, ba-doom, doom. Boom, boom, ba-doom, boom, 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 boom. Damn, Alpha gave somebody Trader of the Month? I wish that was me. Fuck. Why not me? God damn it. I want that to be me one day. My last year in college baseball, I didn't give a shit, and that was my best collegiate year, yeah. I don't know what to do. I think I'm done for the day. I think I'm gonna lock it up. I'm over halfway of passing my alpha accounts, which is great. I'm back to the starting with my Lucid Pro account, so I saved money there. I did hit. I was $200 away from blowing my fucking Funded Seed account, so I just told Funded Seed to just delete them. I'm not gonna fucking trade $200. Like, I'm sorry. So those are deleted. Those are gone. What else? TPT, we passed 4 accounts today. Fucking stupid. Who gives a shit? I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. Dude, watch. I'm gonna have the most legendary run on TPT, but it's gonna be on 4 fucking accounts. How stupid is that? Fucking stupid. I might just start trading. Like, we'll see next week, but I might just start trading like less in the pre-market. I gotta trade something. I have a trading show, but like, I don't know what to do, man. I'm running out of ideas on what to do, but I keep running into my worst trades like early in the session. Just got $7.35 left on my Funded Seat. Think I can save it? Nah, I mean. Ribs, I went back on the chat after you answered my question about I was driving, but yeah, bro, when I was there, I lived over near East Harmon. Oh yeah. And Owens was another area in D Street. Yeah, right on. Trade the Percy, dude. Why? Why would I ever fucking cost myself money? Why? Like how you guys are like, oh yeah, just trade the Percy, man. I'd rather go and play Baccarat at the win. At least I get comps. I'm gonna step away. Best time to trade is overnight. It all changes. I really haven't had any dominating days. I mean, God, if I would have traded right before Rozzy's birthday, if I would have been trading my cash account, I really haven't had any crazy good days in my cash account since the Trump day. Like crazy good. I'm talking like multiple sick fucking trades. Like I haven't had that. It just hasn't been there. So, whatever. Okay. All right, let's gamble. Let's do some slots. Folks on YouTube, that's it for me. I'm going to be back for Sunday Globex. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate y'all. I'm going to continue streaming on Kick. Kick.com/rips. Have a good weekend, everybody. Trolls, suck my dick. I'll see you guys on Sunday for Globex. If you want to keep the stream going, I'm on Kick. See you. Have a great